Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to view devices linked to your Google account. You can follow this from a phone or computer. It's okay if you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, visit google.com, so maybe you're worried that an unauthorized device is connected. Interested to go and find out? From google.com, ensure you're signed in and click on your profile icon in the top right. Then click Manage your Google account. This will essentially bring you to the Google account settings at the top. Scroll down and click on Security. Then all you need to do is scroll down until you can go and see your devices. Click Manage your devices and you can see the signed in devices, and if there's one you don't recognize, go and click on it and you can go and sign in. It lets you scroll through the list and that's it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.